Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the essentials so fixes work. Open the App Store or Play Store and update Instagram now. Outdated clients often trigger logouts. While it updates, make sure your device time and date are set to automatic and your network is stable, because mismatched time or flaky Wi-Fi can break sessions. Once done, confirm you remember the login email or phone and current password. You'll need them for re-authenticating or for account recovery. You now perform the core corrective steps. Log out from within the app and swipe. It closed so background sessions end. Then clear cache on Android or uninstall and reinstall on iOS to remove corrupted session data. When you log back in, enter credentials carefully and enable two-factor authentication to prevent unexpected logouts from suspicious sign-in blocks. Make sure to add a backup method like SMS or an finish by tightening any remaining issues so you stay signed in. Check settings security to revoke suspicious third-party access and remove extra linked accounts that might cause conflicts. Then test staying logged in for several minutes. If Instagram still logs you out, reset your password and log in immediately with the new password to clear server flags. If problems persist, use Instagram's account recovery via the login screen and follow the guided support steps. That solves cases tied to compromised or restricted accounts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.